Now, these further drops are expected because if we head to the 1 week time frame, price versus while money flow is extremely high. Trades in favor is high with a 69% chance of a drop, and most often that will result in moves to the downside. Ethereum dropped through Christmas weekend along with the rest of the crypto market. And as of today, we have retested structure support as predicted at $2,142. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Before we get started, just a couple of announcements. As of right now, we are 117 wins, 0 losses on our trade calls. On top of that, if we head up to our future forecast page, we have a brand new crypto forecast video out. This is members only content. The Bitcoin crash has started, and here's how we plan to profit on this drop. Bitcoin sold off on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, liquidating hundreds of millions of dollars worth of long trades, and the selling is not stopping. We've been calling for this drop in the market, which is why we shorted Bitcoin and are currently in profit. We're going to show you everything you need to know about this drop, how we're making money, and more. And if you are already convinced how valuable these videos are, if we head over to the profits page, this person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days trading with us. This person covered their membership dues for the year. Absolutely insane based on the trade calls in those future forecast videos. This person is up 46.9%, and that is just absolutely crazy. You do not want to miss out on the next trade calls and the next future forecast videos. All this with the membership at the links in the description once again. With that, let's start the analysis. We're going to head over to the Ethereum metrics, and the very first metric we're taking a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. Now, last week we dropped into anxious territory. Most often this will result in moves to the upside, which is exactly what we saw. This pushed us up in the metric, but only as high as the top of neutral. We are not yet in excited territory, and that, once we reach excited, is when we're really looking for those major moves to the downside. So this drop is a little bit early, but I think it is motivated by a general market crash. And because of that, I think we could expect some further moves to the downside. With that, let's check out the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. We are very, very close to the breakout zone. On Ethereum, even when we're sitting close to the breakout zone, this is when we're seeing really, really high volatility in the market, and this is where we need to be careful. Same goes for if we drop below the breakout zone. Highly volatile moves are incoming. Now, most of the recent moves have been to the upside, but our current data shows this next breakout could actually be to the downside. If we look at the whale smart money chart, this shows what whales are likely to do in the incoming days. We're seeing a ton of short trade sentiment from the whales. This has resulted in moves down already. But keep in mind, as short trade actually diminishes, we may see some long trades enter back into the market to buy the dip. We have to be careful of this though, because we are expecting larger market crashes as the Bitcoin release ETF comes out. I'll talk to you more about that later, but as we scroll down here, we can check out what whales are actively doing now. After this drop, whales began buying the dip, with whale money moving into the market, pushing the price up. Based on the fact that whale money is moving up right now, despite the fact that the price is dropping, this shows that it has actually been retailers that are being liquidated. This drop is mostly due to retailers selling out of the market, and because of that, if whale money continues moving into the market, we should actually see a sharp move to the upside. This is a little bit contradicting to the other data, so we'll have to keep you updated, and I'll show you more on the live charts. Next up, let's check out the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. We have major structural resistance at $2,403, with our support sitting at $2,136. Now, we've actually spiked down to that level already. And again, we'll keep you updated on the live charts. Stay tuned. And last but not least is the Ethereum trade signals chart. After receiving multiple sell signals, we saw a drop in price. From there, we saw a buy signal, which resulted in a move up, and we do expect similar signals to play out soon. So do not miss out. As the price drops, we will be looking for another buy signal, and if we receive that, we'll be looking for the next move up in Ethereum. If you trade Ethereum, you need to pay very close attention to these metrics. They come out every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and our members get access to the Ethereum metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. They're going to get access to our future forecast videos, trade setups, and many more money-making benefits. If you want to sign up with us, all you got to do is head down to the links in the description of the video you're watching right now, click more, and the very first link is what you're looking for. Click that. Scroll down, the membership page is what you're looking for. The full access for $59 a month is the one you're going to want to snag. This is a limited time special though. Price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. Lock in your full access $59 a month membership. Get access to everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. I'm looking at Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom, find your price versus one money flow and trades in favor indicators. As of today, we are testing this ascending support structure on Ethereum. We've respected this for quite some time, since early November. We did try and break through this. We dropped as far down as $2,142, as you can see on this little wick right here. Now at the current price, we are seeing whale money kind of neutrally in its position. We see trades in favor fairly high. Most often this will result in a slight move down, and with that, over the next couple of days, I would not be shocked to see an actual body of a candle close below or at $2,142. That is the absolute bottom we are expecting. I think it's going to take maybe a week or two for that to play out. And at the same time, we are anticipating the Bitcoin ETF release sometime at or before January 10th. If we receive that, if the Bitcoin ETF plays out, we should see moves back to the upside, as we talked about in today's Bitcoin video, but we are expecting major market crashes after that. It is assumed that we have reached our mid-cycle top, and for Ethereum that would sit at $2,403. Now, these further drops are expected because if we head to the 1 week time frame, price versus one money flow is extremely high. Trades in favor is high with a 69% chance of a drop, and most often that will result in moves to the downside. And if we break through structure support at $2,142, we'll need to look a little bit lower, as far down as $2,029. Now, I know this is something we've been talking about quite a bit over the past couple of weeks, but I do just think it's going to play out. At the current point, price versus one money flow is still high. Trades in favor is high. Personally, I don't think we're going to get a buy signal at this level, but if we do, a small bounce would be expected. But over the next couple of weeks, either a bounce from here to resistance here, or a bounce from $2,029 for a move up back to resistance is what we should be expecting. And after that, a mid-market cycle crash to the downside before we really get going in this bull market. Now, as the price moves down, what we're going to be looking for if you decide to enter a trade is for price versus one money flow low, trades in favor to be low, and if we receive a buy signal at either of these structure supports, all three of these should result in pretty significant moves to the upside. It is literally as easy as that. That's what we're going to be looking for, and as this plays out, you need to pay very close attention to what these indicators are doing. Whales are the market makers. You need to track exactly what they're doing with the price versus one money flow, track trend momentum with the trades in favor, and catch the exact tops and bottoms of crypto with the TC top and bottom finder. Here's how you're going to get access. Let me get you a $550 discount. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the pro indicator page. Now, members are going to get a massive $150 discount. In fact, it is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Once you have your membership, click access coupon code, click on pro indicator pack, scroll down and click I want this, throw in that membership coupon code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total discount of $550. Just go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and do not miss out on that future forecast video posted today. It is crucial information.